The water faucet option, also called the fill soak tap, is a feature on many Maytag front-loading washers. It allows you to manually fill the washer drum with water from an external faucet before starting a wash cycle. This is useful for pre-soaking heavily soiled clothes or delicate items, giving you more control over the soaking process and water temperature. It is typically found on mid to high-end models. The water faucet option on Maytag washers offers several key benefits. It mimics traditional hand soaking for tough stains like mud or grease, effectively removing up to 95% of stains in demo tests. While soaking, it preserves fabrics by avoiding the harsh agitation of full wash cycles, keeping colors vibrant and textures intact, especially for delicate items like woolens. You can control water temperature directly from the faucet, choosing cold for delicate fabrics or hot for tough stains, which isn't always available in standard cycles. It's more water efficient for pre-treatment compared to running full cycles, potentially saving 10 to 15% water usage, according to Energy Star data. This feature is especially useful for heavily stained kids' clothes or delicate woolens that require extra care before washing. For safety, Maytag washers include overflow protection to prevent flooding if too much water is added. Additionally, proper hose installation is critical to prevent leaks, which can occur if connections aren't secure. To maximize efficiency, use the water faucet option sparingly and avoid combining it with quick wash cycles, which may not utilize the pre-soak effectively. When used with efficient cycles, this feature can reduce water consumption by up to 20%. Remember to always ensure secure hose connections to prevent leaks and maintain optimal water efficiency. Many users have found success with the Fill Soak feature. For example, one family reported using the Fill Tap to pre-soak kids' soccer uniforms, reducing stains by 70% compared to standard cycles. They connected the hose during peak hours to avoid overloading the sewer, saving about 10 gallons per load. While easy to set up, they noted occasional hose kinking causing minor delays. Maytag's official demos show the feature effectively softens wool sweaters. In a YouTube tutorial by Maytag experts, the feature was demonstrated on an MHW8630HW for soaking wool sweaters, resulting in softer, less pilled fabrics after 1 hour. Statistics from the video showed 95% stain removal on tested samples, with no machine damage reported over 500 simulated uses. Hotels are also using the feature for bulk linen soaking, reducing detergent and energy costs. For instance, hotels using Maytag commercial washers employ the tap for bulk linen soaking. One case from a Marriott property showed a 25% reduction in detergent use and energy costs by integrating the feature with timed soaks, backed by internal audits. Appliance experts praise the feature for its versatility, but warn against overusing it to prevent mold in humid climates. A Whirlpool survey revealed that 68% of Maytag owners rate the feature as highly useful for stain treatment. Statistics show that washers with this option can consume 10 to 15% less water per cycle than those without. The future of this feature involves smart technology. Expect AI-driven enhancements where the washer analyzes the load and automatically fills with the correct amount of water. Integration with smart home systems like Alexa is also on the horizon, allowing voice-activated soaking. Premium models might even feature integrated plumbing, phasing out the need for manual hoses. Common issues with the water faucet option include hose leaks. Always ensure tight connections between the hose and both the faucet and washer inlet. Additionally, check for kinks in the hose that could restrict water flow and cause problems. To prevent mold growth, avoid overusing the feature and ensure the washer is properly ventilated after use. Mold can develop in humid environments if the machine isn't allowed to dry. For specific model instructions and compatibility with different wash cycles, always consult your Maytag manual. Different models may have variations in how the feature operates.